Hello guys, good morning. We are here in Dagupan City, Pangasinan. Dagupan was the first called Bagnotan by the Agustinians a few years into the formation of the Spanish encomienda in the province of Pangasinan in 1583. A revolt in 1660 led by Andres Malong, a local chief, ended the forced labor imposed by the Spaniards. The town was rebuilt after the revolt and is known as the Shrine of St. John the Evangelist. The church is a Roman Catholic church located along Jubiliano Street and Zamora Street, Dagupan, Pangasinan in the Philippines. It belongs to the Archdiocese of Lingayen, Dagupan. Dagupan City is an independent component city located in Pangasinan, crisscrossed by 7 rivers and 14 creeks. Dagupan is known for its pond-raised bangos or milkfish, which is said to be the world's tastiest and juiciest, making it the world's bangos capital. Among the new symbols integrated in the seal are a milkfish, 31 stars, which signifies the constituent barangays of the city, 7 waves crest, which represents the city's rivers, a torch which signifies education, and a gear which represents commerce. The name was derived from the local Pangasinan word Pandaragupan, which means gathering place, as the city has been a regional market center for centuries. Dagupan City is the only independent component city of Pangasinan's 4 cities crisscrossed by 7 rivers and 14 creeks. Dagupan is known for its pond-raised bangos, milkfish, which is said to be the world's tastiest and juiciest, making it the world's bangos capital. In Pangasinan or Dagupan, the early settlers of Dagupan City were believed to have come from the Flores Island, one of the islands of the Lesser Sonda Islands located in the eastern half of the Indonesian archipelago. The dialect used by the natives of this island bore a strong similarity to the Pangasinan dialect. The Dagupan culture's residents have unique culture. This is reflected in the rich culture and tradition of the Dagupeños, which includes the distinctive method of putting up fish ponds as well as harvesting it. This unique culture in the city molded the modern economy, spatial utilization, and the physical resources of the city. Pangasinan people, Putuan Pangasinan, are called Pangasinan or the Hispanicized name Sinins, or simply Taga Pangasinan, which means native of Pangasinan. Pangasinan people were known as traders, business people, farmers, and fishers. Pangasinan is the third most populated province in the Philippines. The church in Dagupan is, they call it, the Santuario de San Juan Evangelista, also known as the Shrine of St. John the Evangelist or Dagupan Church, is a Roman Catholic church located along Jovellanos Street and Zamora Street, Dagupan, Pangasinan in the Philippines. It belongs to the Archdiocese of Lingayen, Dagupan.